do you know about this? This is the banana flour and the raw banana, two natural superfoods packed with incredible health benefits. Banana flour, shown first. Known as banana blossom, it's rich in fiber, iron, and antioxidants. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, supports menstrual health, and boosts immunity. In many cultures, it's used in curries, stir-fries, and salads. Tasty and healthy. Raw banana, shown second. Before ripening, bananas are a low-sugar, high-fiber food. They're loaded with resistant starch, great for digestion and managing blood sugar. Perfect for diabetic-friendly meals and rich in potassium and vitamin B6. Together, these banana parts are not just food, they're natural medicine used for generations in Ayurveda and traditional diets. So next time you see this plant, remember, it's not just fruit. It's a full package of nutrition. Like, share, follow for more nature facts.